Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Right, so we've talked through getting a head start for trombones and the basics of time signature. That setup is all introduced on these pages. So I'm going to do page 4 of, Best in Class. Page 4 of Best in Class. This is a book that is not usually in print as much anymore as it used to be, but Bruce Pearson has always done an excellent job of creating great curriculum for younger players. So here we go. It says first note, it shows you the F. Shows you the whole note. It says play 4 times. So here we go, number 1. We move on to number 2, the second note. I'm going to check my pitch here real quick. Okay. Number 2 is called the second note, E flat. It's in third position, 1, 2, 3. Play 4 times. Got a little bit of that top note above that, technically an A flat. And here we are on C, Two's Company. And we'll keep the same tempo, 3 and rest, 2, 3, 4. Right, so Two's Company. It's A, the first note, B, the second note, F and E flat. C uses those in that order. D reverses them, starting with the E flat. Now, in the end of D, I did not have the right amount of air I needed to make that F work. So that's kind of an important lesson of remembering to keep your air steady, keep your air, and not, or the first one where you breathe in deeply and blow up, at least you have a chance to control the air after that. If you just suck in a tiny bit of air and go, you're going to be out of luck. That being said, here we go on the third note. 2, 3 says play 4 times. That takes us to F. 3 to get ready. Remember, we're on the natural note is F. And the other video for page 5 will be uploaded shortly after. Here's 3 to get ready. Here's our tempo. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Two, three, four. So F there ends with that whole rest. And now we're on to the sixth, the fourth note in sixth position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our C note. There it is. And 1, 2, just checking with the piano. Very nice. Ooh, grand piano here. Might have to edit that out. Here we go, number 6. Sixth position, G, the fourth note. Yeah, that's not confusing. All right, part G, fourth note, C. Position 6. Yeah, that's not confusing at all. Rest, 2, 3. And on to H, which is our B flat note, which is the first note of page 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, now we're going to part I, putting it together. And putting it together is just B flats and C's. Time to think. 2, 3. And last, 5 makes a team. And here we go. Starting on our F, that we're pretty much doing a scale down with rests between the F, the E flat, and the E flat and the D, and the D and the C, but not between the C and the B flat. So you're going to need a big breath for that. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.